Managing a workforce sounds simple, until you're coordinating hundreds or even thousands of employees across multiple locations, shifts, and service commitments. The day begins with a carefully optimized plan. But the moment operations start, new events start reshaping priorities. An incident is reported. A technician calls in sick. A new task appears. Suddenly, yesterday's perfect schedule is no longer optimal. One of DecisionBrain's clients, a global facility management provider, faces this challenge every day across large, dynamic environments, such as airports and transportation hubs. Traditional scheduling tools show the plan, but modern operations need more than a static schedule. They need to anticipate demand and adapt continuously as conditions change. By combining real-time operational data, demand forecasts, and mathematical optimization, DecisionBrain continuously evaluates new scenarios and identifies the best adjustments to make. Instead of rebuilding the entire schedule, the system updates only what is necessary, assigning the right people to the right tasks while preserving as much of the existing plan as possible. The result is lower operating costs, higher service levels, better resource utilization, and a workforce that stays aligned with reality as it evolves throughout the day. Because in dynamic operations, success doesn't come from creating the perfect plan. It comes from continuously improving the plan as the operational environment changes.